was clear.
People streaming into the park.
Many people came out to see Busy Signal perform.
Well, a Busy Signal, you know.
Yes. For the first time in the US at Groovin in the Park 2017.
Yo. Busy Signal, turf.
A Busy bring you out? Yeah, man.
Busy.
Not too interested now. R. Kelly, but definitely busy.
Huge numbers inside Roy Wilkins Park on Sunday. Everything seemed to have been going as planned. Busy made his entrance on stage to a hero's welcome from the audience. And then this. An abrupt end to his set due to time constraints. Busy Signal visibly unhappy.
If me can't perform, R. Kelly can't perform neither.
The thousands of fans not having it either.
I pay $160 just to see Busy. I don't care about R. Kelly. I'm not fighting against anybody that care about R. Kelly. But that's why I pay for. And to know it's the first time the man come out big foreign and you cut him in at 20 minutes.
Start the show on time and proceed with the show. Who miss artists? Miss artists. I've been going to shows for 30 years. This is ridiculous.
Better time management. Better time management.
They're the R. Kelly fan here.
Organizers pleading with the audience for mercy to no avail. Some suspected it had to do with R. Kelly, who was scheduled to perform right after Busy. R. Kelly responding like this.
I absolutely have nothing to do with who comes on first, second, third, fourth, or fifth. I just thank God for the talent that He has given me to be able to give y'all music for 30 years. It's a blessing, and I love y'all so much whether you support it or not.
We caught up with a Busy Signal back at his hotel after his performance.
I was scheduled to perform 5 p.m. I was there from 3:04 p.m. You know what I mean? Way before my time to perform. You know what I mean? I watched other acts perform and do the whole set and everything. You know, people there anticipating the whole thing and everything, and there are people through the van, the IV or the VR or the whatever them give to stay, you know. When they are peep and I look on the crowd and I away from early out and I say, this place I get pack and packer. So me here say the show the packers. You know what I mean? Because this is the 8th time, you know what I mean, the 8th year, you know, the promoter say I keep the show here, and this is the only one that sold out to this magnitude. You know what I mean? So it's like, it means so much to me. It meant more than just a performance. It's a whole emotion for me, and it's a whole 15 years ago, you know what I mean? Then I get to work in the US now. This is more than just a show for me. Yeah.
So what is your understanding of what exactly happened?
Yeah, I mean, there was, I think, time crunch in Agwan. Yeah. Me don't know why them really manage it so bad, which part it reached me. You know what I mean? This is my first performance. As I hear me tell the crowd, I'm a first time to come perform in front of the people and live in the USA soil. And the way how them do it is like them not manage the stage timing with the artists. Them not manage the part the right. You know what I mean? So the patrons them does, I mean, I'm so happy, and I'm very proud of myself the way I handled it. I say, New York, you think that is fair? People them say, 48,000 people. No!
Head cook and bottle washer at Groovin had this to say.
As far as I understand it, and we are investigating and we're inquiring as to exactly what happened. Based on the information that we have so far, we are uncertain if anything was unplugged, if anything was turned off. As to what prompted Busy to walk off, we are uncertain at this stage. It is very sensitive to us, and we do feel very disappointed. We were looking forward for a full Busy performance, But with the parks department, sometimes we come under time constraints, and we were trying to manage that constraint. Initially, we have Busy performing for about 60 minutes, and we had to ask him to cut his time. And he was very supportive of that. He didn't have any issue with it. When I realized that something was about to happen, meaning that he was about to walk off, I ran on stage and I begged him not to. At that stage, I was not aware of, and still is not aware of, anything that was turned off.
So it's a mystery what caused it, but there was a lull in there. There was a silence. The music and everything went dead for a moment, and you're saying that you didn't know what about that?
Right. Well, my team, my production team, has to make me comfortable as to what would have caused that. I am not sure if they stopped playing, and if they had stopped playing, then you'd have that silence, or if it was turned off. I have spoken to security, the parks department, the police department, and I am sure, very, very sure, that no one gave anyone any instructions whatsoever to turn anything off. That would come from me, and I didn't, and I am not aware of anyone who would have turned anything off.
Hold on. Hold on.
The full story of Groovin in the Park 2017 and the full interview with Busy Signal this Saturday on stage.
Step out and hold me one for sure. Real hustlers.
I suspect you like that video. For more, click and be on our stage always.